In this video, I will show you how to fade music in and out in DaVinci Resolve. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First, you want to add your video into your timeline. Next, you want to add your music. You then want to trim your music down to match your video. So if I play my video now, you will hear that there is no fading in or out. You will then see these little white things in the top left and right corner at the ends of your music. Simply select that and drag it to your desired length. You'll now hear my music fade in.
So it's day 2 of Michaela being in China.
So now my music has faded in the beginning. And to fade my music out at the end, I do the same thing. Go to the top right corner, find that little white thing and drag it into my desired length. So my music is also too loud, so I will just reduce the volume. So now I will hear my music fade out. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.